Here's how you can forward the other people's voice messages on Instagram. Let me show you how it would work. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. Anyways, right now in the latest version of the app, I can get inside of the conversation as such, and if there is like a voice message, you can see I can play it back right away. But right now, if I hold down on it, not only can I reply to it within this conversation thread, but I can as well forward it and send it to someone else. And it doesn't have to be like a voice message which I sent myself. It might be sent by other person, which I can as well hold down on and click on forward. And all of the other people which are available are going to show up as if I'm sharing a regular post or reel on Instagram. So if you do not see it, because in the past it used to work completely different. So if that is the case for you still, open up the App Store and look up Instagram right there to make sure that you have the latest update installed. So that would make sense. And that is going to ensure you have even this feature part of your app. Right? Because in the past, the way that it used to work is that we were stuck with just the ability to screen record the message, which you would enable it in the control center. You would enable the screen recording, and you would then play the message back, right? And it would capture that thing in a video in your gallery, and you would be able to send that over the Instagram or any other platform. But obviously right now it works much better, so I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.